Good morning everyone. Today we are going to do chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Father's Help. The chapter is written by R.K. Narayan. In this chapter we are going to read how a boy he doesn't want to go to school and how many excuses he makes in the chapter. Now I am going to read the chapter. Lying in bed, Swami realized with a shudder that it was Monday morning. It looked as though only a moment ago it had been the last period on Friday. Already Monday was here. He hoped that an earthquake would reduce the school building to dust, but that good building, Albert Mission, had withstood similar prayers for over 100 years now. At 9 o'clock, Swami wailed, "I have a headache." His mother said, "Why don't you go to school in a Jutka?" Means at 9:30, at 9 he shouted. It was Monday morning. Swami didn't want to go to school. He wanted the school building to reduce. He wanted that one earthquake should come and the school building should reduce to dust. But it didn't happen. The Albert school was 100 years. What was the name of the school? Albert Mission School. It was 100 years old. So at 9 he shouted that he had headache. Mother suggested him to go to school in a Jutka. But he refused. He said that so that I may be completely dead at the other end. Means स्कूल से आते आते मैं पूरी तरह से बीमारी से परेशान ही हो जाऊँ. Have you any idea what it mean to be jolted in a जुटका? जुटका में जर्क जो लगती है, जुटका means रिक्शा. Means you can't imagine how terrible it is to be jolted in a जुटका. जुटका में जितना जर्क होता है वो कितना भयानक होता है, क्या इसकी आइडिया है? Have you any important lesson? Mother inquired if he had any important lesson. Important, wow, that geography teacher has been teaching the same lesson for over a year. Geography teacher जो है वो तो पूरे साल से एक ही लेसन पढ़ा रहा है. And we have arithmetic, which means for the whole period we are going to be beaten by the teacher. Important lesson. So he made it clear. एक ज्योग्राफी पीरियड है जो कि टीचर पूरे साल से एक ही चीज पढ़ा रहा है, और दूसरा अरिथमेटिक में टीचर जो आते हैं वो पढ़ाने के लिए नहीं आते हैं. ही जस्ट कम टू बीट. Mother generously suggested that Swami might stay at home, so he got mother's permission to stay at home. At 9:30, he ought to have been shouting in the school prayer hall. 9:30 was the school prayer time. Swami was lying on the bench in mother's room. So Swami was lying on a bench which was in his mother's room. Father asked him, "Have you no school today?" So now father is inquiring. So he asked that you don't have any school today. Headache, Swami replied. Swami replied that he was not going to school because he had headache. Nonsense. Dress up and go. Swami's father didn't give any permission. He didn't permit him to stay at home. Headache. Loaf about less on Sundays and you will be without a headache on Monday. So means you will not be given any food on Sunday, then you will be going to school. You will not have any headache on Monday. Means his father wanted to say that you enjoy a lot on Sunday. That's why you want to feel relaxed. You do not want to go to school on Monday. Swami knew his father, how stubborn his father could be, and changed his tactics. So Swami knew that his father was very stubborn. He was very rigid person, very jiddi. He was very jiddi. So he said that he now decided to change the tactics. I can't go to school. I can't go to school so late in the class. I agree, but you will have to. It is your own fault. You should have asked me before deciding to stay away. So father said that, okay, I know that you are getting late. You should not go to school late, but it is your own fault. So you will have to go to school late. You should have taken my permission. Means father wanted that if he had any problem, he should have taken father's permission. What will the teacher think if I go so late? So he's asking a question that what will his father say when he will go to school so late? Tell him you had a headache, so are late. So his father told him to say the same reason, that he had headache, so he couldn't go to school. So he was late. He will beat me if I say so. Will he? Let us see. What is his name? So now Swami told that his teacher would beat him if he'd go to school late. Now Swami's father became anxious. He said that, what is the name of the teacher? Samuel. Does he beat the boys? So he asked, does he beat the boys? क्या वो बच्चों को पीटता है? He is very violent, especially with the boys who come late. Some days ago, a boy was made to stay on his knees for a whole period in the corner of the class because he came late. That too after getting 6 cuts from the cane and having his ears twisted. I wouldn't like to go late to Samuel's class. So he said that no, Samuel. So I know few days back one student went late to the class and he was beaten severely. He was given 6 canes. His palm, means he had a cut in his hand, and it was not all. His ears were twisted and he was made to stand on the knees for the whole period. He is so violent, so he could not go to school so late. If he is so violent, why not tell your headmaster about it? The father inquired, if the teacher is so violent, so you should inform your headmaster about the teacher. They say that even the headmaster is afraid of him. So he said that students tell that even the headmaster is afraid of him. He is such a violent man. And then Swami gave a lurid account of Samuel's violence. Now Swami gave a very big account of Samuel's violence. How when he start caning, he would not stop till he saw blood on the boy's hand. Means he was so violent. वो इतना violent था कि जब पीटना स्टार्ट कर देता था तो जब तक हाथ पे ब्लड नहीं आती थी वो he doesn't stop, which made him press to his forehead like a vermilion marking. उसको सिंदूर का, जैसे vermilion मीन्स सिंदूर, तो जैसे सिंदूर का टीका होता है ना, वो उस जब हाथ पे ये पीटने के बाद जब हाथ पे ब्लड आ जाता था तो उसको वो कहता था सिंदूर के टाइप से, जस्ट प्रेस लाइक दैट. Swami hoped that with this his father would be made to see that he could not go to the class late. तो स्वामी इतनी सारी जो स्टोरीज बनाया उसके पीछे कारण क्या था? What was the reason? Reason was that Swami didn't want to go to school. This was the only reason. And he thought that he would be allowed to stay at home. वो सोचा कि फादर तो इतना ये करेंगे नहीं कि इतनी ज़्यादा पिटाई हो उसके बच्चे की, इसलिए वो अलाउ कर देंगे घर पे रहने का. बट थिंग्स हैपन डिफरेंटली. कुछ और ही हो गया. क्या हो गया? His father's behavior took an unexpected turn. He became excited. What do these swine mean by beating children? They must be driven out of service. I will see. लेकिन ये उल्टा ही हो गया. स्वामी के फादर इसको एज ए चैलेंज ले लिए और सोचे नहीं, ऐसा टीचर को तो स्कूल में होना ही नहीं चाहिए, इसको तो स्कूल से हटा देना चाहिए. The result was he proposed to send Swami late to his class as a kind of challenge. First, Swami's father wanted Swami to go to class because he knew that Swami was making just an excuse. It was not the real reason. वो headache जो था वो real reason नहीं था. लेकिन अब स्वामी के फादर स्वामी को एज ए चैलेंज भेजना चाहते थे. He was also going to send a letter with Swami to the headmaster. No amount of protest from Swami was of any avail. Swami had to go to school. अब स्वामी को पता था कि कोई भी प्रोटेस्ट, किसी भी तरह का विरोध किसी काम का नहीं होता. So Swami had to go to school. By the time he was ready, father had composed a long letter to the headmaster, put it in an envelope and sealed it. जितने देर में स्वामी रेडी हुआ उतने देर में फादर ने लेटर कंपोज कर दिया और लेटर कंपोज करके सील करके एनवेलप में डाल करके उसको सील कर दिया. और हाँ, व्हाट हैव यू रिटन फादर? स्वामीनाथन आस्क्ड apprehensively. Swami asked to his father, what had he written? What is the meaning of apprehensively? Do you know? The meaning of apprehensively is anxiously. So Swami became very anxious and he asked, what have you written, father? Have you written anything about the teacher Samuel? Now he is asking, क्या सैमुअल के बारे में कुछ लिखे हैं? Plenty of things about him. When your headmaster reads it, he will probably dismiss Samuel from the school and hand him over to the police. मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं उसके बारे में. जैसे पता चलेगा हेडमास्टर को, हेडमास्टर उसको डिसमिस कर देंगे जॉब से और पुलिस को हैंड ओवर कर देंगे. What has he done, father? Now Swami became very anxious about Samuel. And he asked, what has he done? उन्होंने किया क्या है? Well, there is a full account of everything he has done in the letter. मतलब कि इस लेटर में पूरी चीज़ें लिखी हुई है, जितना भी उन्होंने what has he done, everything is mentioned in the letter. Give it to your headmaster and go to your class. बस इसको हेडमास्टर को दे देना और क्लास में चले जाना. You must bring an acknowledgement from him in the evening. और लौटते समय acknowledgement means receiving. लौटते समय receiving जरूर ले लेना. Swami went to school feeling that he was the worst perjurer on earth. स्वामी स्कूल जा रहा था और ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो worst perjurer. Perjurer means false witness. So he was the worst perjurer on earth. His conscience bothered him. He was not at all sure if he had been accurate in his description of Samuel. अब ये परेशान हो रहा था. अब इसको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि whatever he has said about Samuel was correct or wrong. He could not decide how much of what he had said was imagined and how much of it was real. अब वो सोचने लगा कि इसमें कितनी बातें, जितनी भी बातें उसने अपने फादर को बताई थी, उसमें कितनी बातें सच थी और कितनी बातें इमेजिन्ड थी. He could not decide. He stopped for a moment on the roadside to make up his mind about Samuel. थोड़ी देर के लिए अब वो बैठ जाता है, वो रुक जाता है और अब सैमुअल के लिए अपना माइंड बनाता है कि हाउ इज सैमुअल एक्चुअली. पर्सनली he was not such a bad man after all. अब वो सोच रहा है कि सही में वो इतना बुरा भी नहीं था. पर्सनली ही वॉज मच मोर जीनियल देन द रेस्ट। और पर्सनली जब स्वामीनाथन के एक्सपीरियंस की बात करें तो वो तो ज़्यादा जीनियल था। व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ जीनियल? फ्रेंडली एंड प्लीजेंट। तो वो ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली था दूसरे टीचर्स के तुलना में। ऑफन ही क्रैक्ड अ जोक और टू सेंटरिंग अराउंड स्वामीज इंटरेक्शन। और स्वामी की तरफ वो अपना फेस करके वो हमेशा एक दो जोक भी बोलता था, और जिसको कि स्वामी अपने पर्सनल रिगार्ड मीन्स टीचर का पर्सनल रिगार्ड के रूप में वो लेता था। बट देयर वॉज नो डाउट दैट ही ट्रीटेड पीपल बैडली। लेकिन ये एक बात तो थी कि वो बच्चों को बहुत बुरी तरह से ट्रीट करता था, बहुत बुरी तरह से ट्रीट करता था। His caned skin people's hand. स्वामी cast his mind about for an instance of this. अब ये सोच रहा है कि वो बच्चों को पीटता था, उसका कोई एग्जाम्पल उसके दिमाग में आ जाए। There was none within his knowledge. लेकिन उसके नॉलेज में एक भी नहीं था। He didn't remember any of the incidents. Years and years ago, he was repeated to have skinned the knuckles of a boy in first standard and made him to smear the blood on his face. तो years after years ये कहानी चली आ रही थी कि वो ऐसा करता था कि वो पीटता था, ब्लड आ जाता था उसके बच्चे के हाथ से। इतना एक स्टैंडर्ड 1 के एक बच्चे को इतना पीटा था कि उसके हैंड से ब्लड आ गई थी, और उसको वो स्मियर करने बोला था फेस के ऊपर। नो वन हैड एक्चुअली सीन इट। इसको किसी ने देखा नहीं था। बट ईयर आफ्टर ईयर द स्टोरी परसिस्टेड अमंग द बॉयज। लेकिन ये स्टोरी हर साल, सालों साल ये स्टोरी बच्चों में चल रही थी। Swami's head was dizzy with confusion in regards of the Samuel's character. अब सैमुअल के कैरेक्टर के बारे में जो है स्वामी का दिमाग बहुत कंफ्यूज। He got very confused. Whether he was good or bad, whether he deserved the allegations in the letter or not. Swami felt an impulse to run home and beg his father to take back the letter, but his father was an obstinate man. अब स्वामी चाह रहा था कि वो अपने पापा के पास जाता, अपने फादर के पास जाता और जाकर के बोलता, फादर ये लेटर आप वापस रख लीजिए। But he could not do so because he knew that his father was very obstinate man. As he approached the yellow building, he realized that he was perjuring himself and was ruining his teacher. Probably the headmaster would dismiss Samuel and then the police would chain him and pull him in jail. अब वो सोच रहा है, जैसे ही स्कूल बिल्डिंग के पास पहुंचा तो सोच रहा है कि फादर को, हेडमास्टर जैसे वो फादर का लेटर पढ़ेंगे तो सैमुअल को जॉब से निकाल देंगे और पुलिस को हैंड ओवर कर देंगे, और ये जितना भी डिसग्रेस होगा, ह्यूमिलिएशन होगा, सफरिंग होगा सैमुअल का, उसके लिए हु विल बी responsible? Swami will be responsible for all the disgrace, all the humiliation and all the sufferings. The more he thought of Samuel, the more he grieved for him. जितना वो सैमुअल के बारे में सोचता था उतना ही उसको बुरा फील होता था. The dark face, his small red streaked eyes, his thin line of mustache, his unshaven cheek and chin, his yellow coat, everything filled Swami with sorrow. सैमुअल का whole personality उसके सामने आ जाता है, and he felt sorry for everything. As he felt the bulge of the letter in his pocket, he felt like an executioner. अब ये एक्सक्यूजनर, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सक्यूजनर? हैंगमैन, जो फांसी देता है. अब इसको ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये आज सैमुअल को फांसी देने वाला हो, उस तरीके का. मीन्स इतना बुरा उसके साथ, he was doing so much bad to him. For a moment he was angry with his father and wondered why he should not fling into the gutter the letter of a man so unreasonable and stubborn. और वो सोच रहा है कि क्यों न फादर के इस लेटर को गटर में ही डाल दिया जाए. इतना अनरीजनेबल आदमी और इतना स्टबर्न आदमी के लेटर को गटर में क्यों न डाल दिया जाए. ओके, इन दिस वीडियो we will do till here only. We will continue in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.